How to import videos in CapCut mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the CapCut application on your device over here. So make sure you're logged into your account in CapCut application as well. And as you launch the CapCut application, so it's not loading over here. So let's just go back to the home and then exit the CapCut application and then launch it again. And as you launch the CapCut application, what you can simply do is tap on the option of new project. So here you can see the option of new project over here. So simply you can just tap on the new project option, and as you tap on new project, it will lead you to the option of your gallery over here. So simply you have to give that access to files and media, so that whenever you tap on new project, it will directly lead you to your videos and photos in your gallery. So just make sure you tap on new project, and here it will show you all the videos that you have. Now you can simply tap on the videos or the projects that you would want for your video and then tap on add at the bottom of the screen. And as you do that, you'll be able to import videos in CapCut mobile. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.